Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy of English. I am Dr. Viswa from Prayagraj, Allahabad. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for TGT, PGT and UGC English. Let us today discuss a topic, sonnet. Dear friends, sonnet is a Sicilian dialect. To the south of Italy, there is an island known as Sicily. Before 23rd BC, there lived a scoop, Giacomo da Lentini. For the first time he sang Sonetto. Sonetto means little sound. Sonetto means little sound. But for 1300 years, Sonetto was sung as a dialectical song. In 14th century, Sonetto was given a literary status by Petrarch. Since Petrarch gave Sonetto a literary status, so he is called the father of sonnet. He confined Sonetto into 14 lines. In how many lines? 14. In 14 lines, and divided 14 lines into two phases, octave and sestet. In octave, there is inevitably a problem which is raised. A problem is raised in octave, and in sestet the solution raised in octave is presented. This is the characteristics of Italian sonnet or Petrarchan sonnet. Petrarch composed 314 sonnets. 314 sonnets plus 52 songs, and got them published in a book, Canzoniere. Canzoniere, which means offering of love song. What is the meaning of Canzoniere? The offering of love song. He dedicated his book Canzoniere to his beloved Laura di Novi. Laura di Novi. Laura di Novi. Dante also followed his pattern, and it is said that he composed 37 songs dedicated to his beloved Beatrice Portinari. Dante dedicated his "37 sonnets to his beloved Beatrice Portinari, or in short, she is called Bice. Petrarch also made Beatrice immortal because he projected Beatrice, the heroine of his epic Divina Commedia. This was the origin of sonnet, but the question does arise when sonnets reached into English literature. So it was Thomas Wyatt who introduced the sonnet into English literature. He followed the pattern of Italian structure, that is, he divided his sonnets into octave and sestet and composed 37 sonnets, dedicated them to his imaginary beloved. What was the name of his beloved? Elizabeth Fitzgerald. Thereafter, Earl of Surrey, Henry Howard, gave a new structure to sonnet, which was known as English sonnet, The structure of English sonnet is Henry Howard kept 14 lines in his sonnets, but divided them into 4 steps. He divided 14 lines into first quatrain, second quatrain, third quatrain, and in the end he joined a rhymed couplet. The rhyme structure of these 3 quatrains are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, G. As per the structure or rhyme scheme of Italian sonnet is in octave A, B, B, A, B, B, A, and as far sestet is concerned, the rhyme scheme is C, D, E, C, D, E. These are the rhyme scheme of Italian sonnet which Petrarch introduced. Afterward, for the first time, songs and sonnets were published in 1557 in a magazine called Turtle's Miscellany. Afterward, the sequence of sonnet were prevalent. In English literature, first sonnet sequence was composed by Philip Sidney. He composed a sonnet sequence under title Astrophel and Stella, which contained 108 sonnets. Astrophel is a Greek word aster. Aster means a star and phil means lover. So the literal meaning of astrophel is the lover of a star, and Stella means star. Stella means star. In the sonnet sequence Astrophel and Stella, Sidney presented himself as Astrophel. And his star is Penelope Devereux. Devereaux. Penelope Devereux. Sidney was betrothed to Penelope, but later on Penelope married with Lord Rich and became Lady Rich. Myth also goes like this, that in ancient Greek there was a young man, Astrophel, who loved passionately Stella, but Stella died prematurely, and Astrophel was very much bereaved and sad on account of her death. Taking pity on Astrophel, gods converted Stella into a star, and Astrophel drank consolation by seeing that star. But in the sonnet sequence, Sidney has presented himself as Astrophel and Penelope as a star. Afterward, Spenser also composed a sonnet sequence of 88 sonnets under title Emeraude. Under sonnet sequence of Emeraude, Emeraude is Italian word. The word Emeraude is derived from Italian word amorous. Amorous means love. And Emeraude, that is pertaining to love. In Emeraude sonnet sequence there is 88 sonnets. How many sonnets? 88 sonnets, in which Spenser celebrates his love for Elizabeth Boyle. Elizabeth Boyle was an Irish lady, while Spenser was living as secretary of Lord Grey in Kilcolman Castle. He fell in love with Elizabeth Boyle, and in 1594 he married with Elizabeth Boyle. Dear friends, for further information about sonnet, we will discuss tomorrow. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon for new videos, and also comment for further suggestion. Thank you very much.